it's Miracle, and welcome back to Mind of a Miracle. It feels like a Monday. It's felt like a Monday all week. I'm not even gonna tell you the day of the week because every day for the last 2 weeks has felt like a Monday. You know what? I'm gonna make the most out of it, and I'm gonna have some fun with you guys because making these videos just puts everything into perspective for me, and I'm just like, girl, everything gonna be okay, girl. Girl, everything gonna be okay. It's only temporary, and you know what? For temporary, I'm here for it. This is going to be KBeauty inspired makeup. I'm gonna have a mix of American products and Korean beauty products. And then we'll see what happens, because I don't really have a clear idea in my head. I have like this whole whimsical thing about like, when I watch K-dramas, this is what the girls look like, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna start off with this L'Oreal True Match. It's the color Lumi. It's a liquid gold illuminator, okay? So we want to look glowy. I want to get this hair out my face because I can't see anything. Finally decided what I want to do with my hair, and that is make it long and glorious and not chop it off again. Let's see how long that lasts, because after it gets to that like awkward stage, I no longer want to deal with anything. I don't want to do it. I'm just like, bump that all the way. Yeah. I really discovered, like, before, oh, look at the glow. I look shiny, like, oh, it's babies. I really discovered upon doing makeup, guys, like, I am infatuated with using my hands for, like, everything. I feel like it blends out so much better. It looks, like, super natural. And, I don't think I get the same results if I use, like, brushes or, like beauty blenders. The only time I really appreciate it is if it's like for precision purposes, but other than that, my hands, they do work, man. These fingers are gifted. Just come in with your, you know, your basic foundation. I just did about 4.5 pumps, and by half I meant whatever little dribble stuff was coming off of the nozzle. And gonna blend this out. Guys, make sure you blend up into your hairline and, you know, up close to your sideburns, under your chin, and down your neck. Some ladies just forget to do that, and it's not a good look, fam. Everybody can tell. It looks like a mask, like a hard line of where skin and makeup starts and finishes, and it's not okay. As you can see, I do these cutesy little tap things. Okay. Can't see. You know, let me just get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm just not lying to you guys. Like, oh, I know what I'm doing, guys. No, I can't see. Can't. Not at all. I'm gonna blend this out. I just used my nail to apply the product. I use the back side of it because sanitation is the thing. Always make sure you wash your hands before you touch your face. Wash your face before you put makeup on your face. Just start off in a positive direction. What I noticed about KBeauty, they don't contour in generalized. The mainstream stuff, they don't contour that much. It's very light. And yeah, I think it's because we're trying to perpetuate the ideal woman as far as being youthful and almost innocent. Shoot, Americans, we just like, everybody is a freaking seductress. So I still want to look snatched though, so I'm just gonna contour a little bit, because you know my face is round and I can't be having that, you know, so just a little bit. And I'm using my finger instead just because I don't want the contour lines to be too harsh and just look natural. Just natural, you know. Look how youthful. So I'm gonna come in close so you guys can see how I'm gonna do the eyebrows. I'm actually gonna use an eyebrow pencil. Let me get closer. Okay, I want to make this cutesy, so I'm going to use the Chocolate Bonbons palette by Too Faced, and I'm using the color Sparkles. Sparkles. And this starts all up here. Now, after using Sparkles, I'm going to come in using the color Cotton Candy. Using the same brush, I'm using the color Almond Truffle. Most people would do this first, but I'm not most people, so. I want to just jazz this up a little bit, so I'm gonna use the other side of this brush and then tap into the color Molasses Chip. You guys wanna see that? Ooh, this is the color. And then I'm gonna just dance that over like the second half of the part of my eye, almost like I'm almost lining it, just to get some of that shimmer throughout. I don't want it to like slip up into the rest of my eye. I just want it on the lower portion here. And I want to use the colors Divinity. And we're gonna mix that with the Cafe au Lait coffee. Okay, and then we're gonna just use this on the inner corner of my eye. Get that cutesy egg yolk there. I'm gonna use the flat end of this brush and come in the color Malted and mix Malted with Bordeaux or whatever this color is, the brown right here, and mix these two browns, the reddish brown and this brown here, and be very light-handed with this. Come underneath here and dust this under the lower lash line, very like the dip in the lower lash line. This is why you want to do this light-handedly. This portion here is very important for the overall look of Aegyo style. This is that heavy under eyelid look. Apparently it's cute. I'm not going to be a hater. I think it's a little bit cute too. Now I'm going to use a shimmer color to create my Aegyo. So I'm using again the flat end of the brush and I'm mixing that with the color Divinity on here. And I'm only going to do this under portion of the the lower lash line. Okay, just pet that on. Okay, make sure you make that heavy. Okay, just make it heavy. So I can't find the brush for the gel liner that I have, so I'm gonna do something scary. Instead of just using a different liner, I'm gonna just use a different brush and hope for the best. Okay, so I'm gonna use this flat brush here. It's probably too big, probably gonna screw everything up and be upset, but you know, risks, we gotta take risks. Not bad. Not bad, fam. Okay. And then after we do that, I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. And yeah, it's coming with the lip gloss. This is the final look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can receive further updates anytime that I upload. If you guys have any concerns, put that down in the description bar below. Let me know what you guys want to see. What type of looks you want me to recreate. Just tag me in a post on Instagram so I could see and then try to do, okay? My Instagram is @precarious_mind. Snapchat is xmira.mirax. And then my business inquiries, you can find that information down in the description bar down below. Just so you guys know, all products used in any of the looks that I've created thus far, all of the products have been listed in the description box, direct links and such. So yeah, I'm trying to save you guys some work so you guys don't have to type that stuff in. In any case, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Okay, bye!